Today, I'm sharing a little bit of a twist on the conversation about diversity or discrimination in the workplace. So stay tuned. It's not the typical conversation. So, the discrimination or lack of diversity sometimes that I'm talking about is not something that is typically tracked on any spreadsheets, and it's pervasive. In fact, I think we've all probably experienced it if you have any kind of work experience in more than one organization. One of the main reasons diversity is so important in the workplace is because of the differing perspectives it brings to the table. We can't all think alike and have the same beliefs or perspectives, or there will never be progress. Diversity of thought is critical to any progress. And the one area that most people experience discrimination in, and this may surprise you, it's not gender and it's not race, it's age. And it works on both ends of the spectrum. Think about it. If they're too young, what do they know? If they're too old, they don't get it. Grandpa, we're done hearing from you, right? Both ends of the spectrum. People are so judgy. And yet, those two extremes bring a richness to the conversation because of their different viewpoints and should be heard. Let me know in comments if you've ever seen this type of discrimination at play. In general, a work culture that is not open to diverse opinions, perspectives, ideas, and ways of thinking is doomed. You have to be open to new ideas. That's how we innovate. That's how we stay relevant. Be sure to hit subscribe, and I'll talk to you on the next video.